just picked this boat up. Old Town pedal. Haven't even adjusted anything yet. That's a little bit tippier than what I thought it would be. Pedal's pretty easy. This will be a really good exercise. We're back here at Sugar Land Memorial Park. We got a chopper cruising over. Somebody's potato chip bag. A bird. And Doritos bag. I haven't ridden a bicycle in a long time. I used to ride my bike all the time. All that screaming you hear in the background, there's nothing wrong over there. They just got, I think they got like the special kids outing today, which I think is pretty neat. First pedal kayak. Well, not the first one I've ever tried. But we tried one. Some big Hobie 14s in San Luis Pass one time. Some people camping next to us asked if we want to try. I said, sure. Yeah, I'm already getting winded. This is going to be some good exercise. And they were pretty impressive. So far for a little 12-foot boat, this is not too bad. I started to bring my fishing pole, but I thought, nah, let's go see how this little boat runs. It's a wet and full board, just like everybody said it would be. But if you're fishing, that's just the way it's going to be. Adjustment out here. All in all, it's not a bad boat after like an hour paddling around. I have to get myself in shape. My bicycle out and ride it a little bit. Alright, that's about it for this little short video. And I'll see y'all back on the 11-foot foam and fiberglass kayak. I don't think it wears me out this much when I use a paddle. So I'm going to keep a paddle with me when I get in this because I can see having to switch off because I'm just not in shape for it. Alright, thank y'all for watching. I'll see you in a little bit.